In our previous video, we developed the tagline component for homepage. In this video, let us design our this particular component vision and mission and aims as similar to in our existing Bootstrap application. We can start develop this particular component now. For this purpose, again go to VS Code in the component section. Start providing vision mi mission aims component .jsx. So we need to provide the component name. We need to create a function now. React arrow function component export. Yes, automatically it provides a component. So once after providing this particular component, first thing we need to observe our existing application. Usually our web page is a 12 column system. It contains 3 columns and it should have a space on left and right and in between also. For that purpose we will provide 3 column system. So first one called div.row. We should have a row, and under row we should have div.call-md-3 into 3. There are 3 column system we need to provide. So once after providing these 3 column system, so with respect to each column wise, we should provide h1. We need to provide the corresponding tagline. Corresponding these images we need to provide. These are not images, these are Bootstrap icons. So we need to add these Bootstrap icons. So once after, so how we can able to add the Bootstrap icons? For that purpose, we need to go to official website of npm.js. There you need to search for Bootstrap icons. So it will provide us the corresponding the npm packages. Yes, this is the Bootstrap icons npm package. Copy this particular package and come to our VS Code in the terminal, new terminal. So before installing, we'll open the packages package. Currently in the dependencies, we do not have a Bootstrap icon. So now cd space Gentech Academy. So now we need to install the Bootstrap icons. So automatically there should be an entry should be available in dependencies. Yes, the Bootstrap icons is available in, okay, it was applied, it was entered into our dependencies section. Once after installing the dependencies, which dependency? Bootstrap icons npm package. Now we can close this particular exit this particular terminal. The next step, we need to apply the CDN now. So again click on typography, and here there is a option called extend their icons. These are Bootstrap icons. Under Bootstrap icons we should apply the CDN now. Yes, this is the CDN. We need to copy this CDN, and where exactly we need to apply this particular CDN? We have one web page called index.html. In the index.html, copy paste in a header section. So now we can able to apply the Bootstrap icons into our React application. Again we can go to our, once after configuring properly, so go to our index.html, go to our component and go to our Bootstrap icons. The first one it is represents as code. So we can bring that particular code. So we can add any image. You can add any icon. Just we are applying similar approach. How it was looks like in a Bootstrap application, similar way we can just adding code. So this is the one code. Yes, select this particular one and copy this and paste under here. And afterwards we need to provide h4 So this is H4 is nothing but our vision. H4, we need to add our vision. Next one, we can apply the paragraph. The same code only, the same content only, will copy paste it here. Copy and we'll paste it here. Similar way, we can include the same thing for each and every section. This is the second one. This is the third one. Yes, we have included. So we need to change our vision, our mission, and next one card, our aims. So now we need to apply the different Bootstrap icons. The first one is code. It looks like a this looks like a calendar and this looks like a bookmark. Yes, we can search for bookmark. So again we can go to bookmark. You can type it as a bookmark. Yes, it is available at here, bookmark. Copy this one. Again we can copy and paste under this particular section. Second one, our mission. In this section we can apply the bookmark. And third one, we should apply calendar because it looks like a calendar icon. So we will go here and we can apply calendar, calendr, calendar. So here it is available. Select this one. Yes, we have applied all the Bootstrap icons properly. We are configured the Bootstrap icon and we have added the Bootstrap icons. Everything is properly. Now save this particular one. Now we have to call this one because this particular component is available under home page. So that's the reason we should call in home page. In home page, we need to call the component called which one means vision. This component we supposed to call. Save this one and again go to our application. Yes, we can able to view, but it's not arranged properly. So we will apply the Bootstrap classes now. So how we can able to apply the Bootstrap classes? The first one, row, justify content evenly. Justify content evenly. So in order to apply, so the proper space on all the components. So that's the reason we need to provide justify content evenly. In order to arrange the component properly, so that's the reason we need to provide justify content evenly. So next one, we need to, so once after providing this one, we'll go and watch here. Yes, everything is available properly, but it's not aligned center. So for that purpose, we should go and apply text hyphen center. The same thing we should provide for each column wise. Save this one and again if you can watch, yes, it is aligned properly. Center is proper. Now we need to change the color code. With respect to our Bootstrap application, it is a blue color, it is a red color and it is a green color. So blue is nothing but BG primary and text hyphen BG primary, and we need to provide this one as danger and we need to provide it as a green color. Green means it is a success. In order to apply the similar kind of color, so it is a blue means primary, text hyphen primary, text hyphen danger, text hyphen success will provide. So how we can able to provide means here we should provide here class text hyphen primary. Here we need to provide second text hyphen danger, and third one we need to provide text hyphen success. Also, once after save this particular changes, if you can see, yes, the corresponding color got added. So now we should apply some padding on both front, top, bottom, left and right also. So how we can able to apply means, so now we need to apply p-4 padding on all the sides, p-4, and this is p-4. Save this particular one. If you can see here, yes, it is applying padding on all the sides. Now it was arranged properly. As similar to our Bootstrap application, it has arranged. So in our next video, we will design our office locations.